rin, lalabs. Sis Dawang! Gising ka na, sis Dawang. So, gising, matutulog ka pa lang. Norms, I love what you are wearing. Very guapa and sexy. Where's one? This one? No, not nice, this one. See? What is this? What is this? See, what is this? Oh, what kind of dress this one? Yeah, Uy, Dana. Si Dawan pala, Dawan. Punta kita, Dawan. Dawan, I will go to your channel, Dawan. Uy, Dana, ako sa'yo cute, right? Sis Lisa, mag-live ka na, Sis Lisa. Asa na yun si Dawan? Ito si Dawan. Wait, dito na si Dawan dito. Pauwi, parang ito yung nawats ko kahapon. Pauwi galing sa ano. Nawats ko na nga. Yellow bulaklak. Kay ganda. Kay ganda ng bulaklak. Kay ganda. Nors, you know, it excites me when when I laugh. What? My laugh is like a zombie. Dawan, please, sa yung yellow bulaklak, Dawan. Na-play ko na lahat, no? Kate, the German soldier. Si Lisa, na-play ko na lahat. Pati si Giselen, si Sisja, si Kate. Sino pumasok kanina, guys? Nakalimutan ko naman, oy. Si Sis Bigalio, si Sis Cyprus. On the wings. Oh. It's a turn on to me. It's what I'm saying. Sana all may pero ko sis, lalab. Nako. Yun na yan, pwede lalab. Matulpo tayo niyan, lalab. Turang, uto-uto ulugan na lang natin yan para mayroon. Ganyan man siya, lalab. Oh my gulay! And sana all, sana dalawa ang puso. You know that song? Ano yung song na yung lalab? Si lalab, kasi singer to eh. Oy, Kate, go to lalab's Patrice live. She sing. She has a good voice, not like me. I'm a horror voice. I have a horror voice. Uy, ano nga yung lalabs? Yung sana, ano yung tuno nun? Dalawa ang puso ko. Oh. What is the meaning of that, Kate? Oh, I will sing you, Kate. Kung malaya lang ako, Kate, I will sing. Kung malaya lang ako, ipagsisigawan kong mahal kita. Di ba yan, naintindihan yan, sis ata? Yes, I sure do, and I absolutely love that very guapa song. Really? Which one? Kung malaya lang ako or sana dalawang puso ko? Nam, you have a very guapa and very singing. Pinagluloko ako sigbin. Pag sure da, Kate? Are you okay, Kate? Both of them. Both of them. You know that? Kung malaya lang ako at sa dalawang puso ko, translate in English, how? Kung malaya lang ako, translate in English if you know. You said you know it. And also, sana dalawang puso ko, how to English that one? Sana dalawa ang puso ko. Tibok. Sure, yes, I'm okay and I'm in love now. Oh, in love. Sana all, congratulations. Kate the German is in love. Who's love?